Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Justice Science Academy. In this video, I'm going to guide you through the 2025 WAEC approved timetable. So aspirant students, get your pen and paper as you note the important days of this exam. You must note that any subject that has two asterisks, that is 2 stars beside it, they are the subjects that are going to be offered in Nigeria. So depending on the subject you've registered for in this WAEC exam. But this exam is starting proper on Thursday, which is April 24th, 2025. So on that Thursday, April 24th, we have food and nutrition practical. Then we also have home management practical, okay? On Friday, April 25th, we have Animal Husbandry, Alternative A, Paper 2 and 1. And also, on 28th April, being Monday, we have Store Management, Paper 2 and 1, that is Essay and Objectives. And we also have on the same day, April 25th, 2025, April 28th, 2025, we have Metalwork Practicals. On Tuesday, 29th April 2025, we have Applied Electricity, Paper 2 and 1, that is Essay and Objective. And also, we have Basic Electricity, Paper 2 and 1, that is Essay and Objectives. On Wednesday, 30th of April 2025, we have Basic Electronics, Paper 2 and 1. And on the same day, we have Food and Nutrition, Paper 2 and 1, okay? Then on the 1st, which is Thursday, 1st of May, we have public holiday. That is Workers' Day. So there is no exam on that particular day. On Friday, being 2nd of May 2025, we have furniture making, Paper 2 and 1. We have automobile parts merchandising, 2 and 1. Then we have painting and decorating, Paper 2 and 1. We have photography, Paper 3, that is alternative to practical work. Then we have fishery, Alternative A, Paper 3. Okay, we have scenography, Paper 2 and 1. We have garments making, Paper 2 and 1. Catering craft, Paper 2 and 1. Block laying and bricklaying, Paper 2 and 1. Machine woodworking, that is Paper 2 and 1. Plumbing and pipe fitting, Paper 2 and 1. Cosmetology, Paper 2 and 1. Carpentry, Paper 2 and 1. Printing craft practice, Paper 2 and 1. Health education, alternative to practical work. All these exams are going to take place on Friday, 2nd May 2025. I hope you are getting that. Then on the 5th of May, we have Arabic, Paper 2 and 1. Business management, Paper 2 and 1. On Tuesday, 6th of May 2025, we have Commerce, Paper 2 and 1. We have Computer Studies, Practicals, Paper 3. Principle of Cost Accounting, Paper 2 and 1. That is Essay and Objective. On Wednesday, 7th May 2025, we're going to have Auto Electrical Works, Paper 3. That is Alternative to Practical Works. We have Scenography, Paper 3. Dyeing and Bleaching, Paper 2 and 1. Office Practice, Paper 2 and 1. Tourism, Paper 2 and 1. Fisheries, Alternative B, Paper 2 and 1. Animal Husbandry, Alternative B, Paper 2 and 1. Data Processing, Paper 2 and 1. Photography, Paper 2 and 1. Auto Mechanical Works, Paper 2 and 1. Electrical Installation and Maintenance Work, Paper 2 and 1. Printing Craft Practice, Paper 3, that is the practical. Plumbing and Pipe Fitting, Paper 3, that is the practical. Animal Husbandry, Alternative A, Paper 3. Air Conditioning and Refrigeration, Paper 3, that is the practical. Carpentry and Joinery, Paper 3, the practical. Machine Woodworking, Paper 3. Computer Studies, Paper 2 and 1. All these I've mentioned are going to take place on Wednesday, 7th of May 2025. Please take note of this date, very, very important. On Thursday, 8th of May 2025, we have Animal Husbandry, Alternative B, Paper 3. We have Fisheries, Alternative B, Paper 3. I may not be calling out everything like all the subjects that are going to be written on their days, but you can look through it and know the particular ones you are going to write. We have auto mechanical works paper 3, block laying and bricklaying and concrete works paper 3, furniture making paper 3, painting and decorating paper 3, welding and fabrication engineering craft practice, that is the practical paper 3, leather goods manufacturing and repairs paper 3, dyeing and bleaching paper 3. All these I have mentioned will take place on Thursday 8th of May 2025. Please students, take note. Friday 9th May 2025, going to have catering craft practice paper 3, that is alternative to practical work, cosmology paper 3, that is alternative to practical work, GSM phone maintenance and repair paper 2 and 1, mining paper 2 and 1, leather goods manufacturing and repairs paper 2 and 1, garment making paper 3, this one is alternative to practical work, bookkeeping paper 2 and 1, storekeeping paper 2 and 1, crop husbandry and horticulture paper 3, that is the practical. All these subjects that I have mentioned now will be taking place on Friday 9th of May 2025. Students, take note. Monday 12th of May 2025, we have further mathematics paper 2 and 1. Tuesday 13th of April to June 6th, we are going to have all these subjects. We have Arabic paper 3, French paper 3, physical education paper 3, clothing and textile paper 3, food and nutrition paper 3, that is the practical work, home management paper 3, and we have music. All these I've mentioned will take place from 13th of May 2025 to 6th of June 2025. Candidates, take note. On Tuesday, being the 13th of May 2025, we are going to have government paper 2 and 1. Agricultural Science paper 2 and 1, that will be taking place on the 13th of May 2025. On Wednesday 14th of May 2025, we have Civic Education paper 2 and 1, Engineering Science paper 2 and 1, Marketing paper 2 and 1. Candidates, take note. On Thursday 15th of May 2025, we have Biology paper 3, that is the practicals. We also have Literature in English paper 3. On Friday 16th May 2025, we have Music 3A, Agricultural Science paper 3, Agricultural Science paper 3, alternative to practicals. Building Construction paper 2 and 1. Candidates, take note. Monday 19th May 2025, we have music paper 2 and 1, we have information and communication technology, that is ICT paper 3, clothing and textile paper 2 and 1. All this will take place on Monday 19th May 2025. Then on Tuesday 20th May 2025, we have chemistry practicals, alternative A. Science students, take note. Chemistry practicals, alternative A. We have all the languages. We have Hausa paper 2 and 1, Igbo paper 2 and 1, Yoruba paper 2 and 1, Edo paper 2 and 1, Efik paper 2 and 1, Ibibio paper 2 and 1. Then we have Forestry paper 2 and 1. All these are going to take place on the 20th of May 2025. Candidates, take note. On Wednesday 21st, 2025, we have CRS paper 2 and 1, Islamic Studies paper 2 and 1, Physics paper 2 and 1. Science students, take note. On Thursday 22nd of May 2025, we have Chemistry paper 2 and 1, Literature in English paper 2 and 1. On Friday, being 23rd May 2025, have Biology paper 2 and 1 and Home Management paper 2 and 1. So we have theory and OBJ for that particular day. Candidates, take note. If you are watching this channel for the first time and you are yet to subscribe to this channel, what are you waiting for? Subscribe to this channel for more updates and reviews on questions that you are going to see in in your exams. So let's proceed. On Monday, 26th May 2025, we have electronics practicals, okay, paper 3. Basic electronics, paper 3, that is the practicals. Visual arts, paper 2 and 1. All this will take place on the 26th May 2025. Candidates, take note. Tuesday, 27th May 2025, have physics paper 3, that is practical, alternative A. Alternative A and also alternative D will take place on that particular day. Building and construction paper 3, French paper 2 and 1. All these are going to take place on the 27th May 2025. Candidates, take note. On Wednesday, 28th May 2025, we have English language paper 2 and 1. Also have English language paper 3, that is test of orals. Then on 29th May 2025, being on Thursday, we have geography paper 2 and 1 and also geography paper 3. That is practical and physical geography. Candidates, take note. On Friday, 30th May 2025, we have English language 3. That is for oral. This is not for Nigeria, okay? So take note. We have crop husbandry and horticulture, paper 2 and 1. These two will take place on the 30th May 2025. On Monday, being 2nd June 2025, we have auto electrical work, paper 2 and 1. Air conditioning and refrigeration, paper 2 and 1. Auto body repairs and spray painting, paper 2 and 1. Science core, paper 2 and 1. Science core, paper 3, alternative to practical work. All these I have mentioned, they are going to take place on 2nd of June 2025. Candidates, take note. On Tuesday, being the 3rd of June 2025, we have general mathematics. General mathematics, please take note. Core, paper 2 and 1. On Wednesday, 4th of June 2025, we have economics, paper 2 and 1, and financial accounting, paper 2 and 1. Then we have on Thursday, Friday, and Monday, that is from 5th of June to 9th of June, we have public holiday. That is El Ahad holiday, as Muslim holiday. So candidates, take note. On Tuesday, being 10th of June 2025, we have metal work, paper 2 and 1. We have history, paper 2 and 1. The two subjects are going to be taken on Tuesday, 10th of June 2025. On Wednesday, 11th of June, we have technical drawing, paper 3, and visual arts 3A drawing. All this will take place on the 11th of June 2025. Candidates, take note. On Thursday, 12th June 2025, we have ICT, paper 2 and 1. We also have typewriting. This is included or excluded to a particular country where they are writing the subject. But I don't think we'll write such thing in Nigeria right now. On Friday, 13th June 2025, we have applied electricity, paper 3, basic electricity, paper 3, auto mechanics, paper 2 and 1. All this will take place on Friday, 13th June 2025. Then on Monday, 16th June 2025, we have health education, paper 2 and 1, auto mechanics, paper 3, and technical drawing, paper 2 and 1. All these are going to take place on the 16th of June 2025. Now, on Tuesday, being 17th June, we have chemistry practicals, alternative B. Science students, take note. We have visual arts 3D, that is creative design. So take note of that, candidates. On Wednesday, being 18th June 2025, we have physics practicals, paper 3, alternative B. We have insurance, paper 2 and 1. This is going to take place on Wednesday, 18th June 2025. On Thursday, 19th June 2025, we have fisheries, alternative A, paper 2 and 1. Have woodwork, paper 2 and 1. This will take place on the 19th June 2025. Then on 20th June, which is the last day, we have physical education paper 2 and 1 and also physical education paper 3. Candidates, take note. Candidates should note this on the timetable, that the subject that has 2 asterisks is available to candidates in Nigeria only. The subject that has 3 asterisks is available to candidates in the Gambia and Sierra Leone. The subject that has 4 asterisks is available to candidates in Liberia only. The ones that have 5 asterisks, they are available to candidates in Sierra Leone only. The subject with 6 asterisks is available to candidates in the Gambia only. So candidates, take note of this as you go through the timetable. There should be special attention or extra time given to those, to the blind, the deaf, and the dumb. So school should take note of that, and candidates should also take note of that. I hope this video was able to help someone out there. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification button to get notified each time I post videos. And lastly, for more JAMB and WAEC updates and reviews, I will update you as soon as I get any information pertaining your exams. Do not forget to share so that other candidates that are preparing for this same exam can see it and learn from there. I will see you in the next one. Bye for now.